This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Telegram properly. First, download the Telegram app from your device's app store. Once installed, open it and follow the simple steps to create your account using your phone number. You'll receive a verification code to confirm your identity. After setup, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the clean and intuitive interface. You'll find your chats, contacts, and settings easily accessible, making it simple to begin communicating right away. Now that you're set up, let's dive into Telegram's core communication features. You can easily send text messages, photos, and videos to your contacts, just like any other messaging app. Explore the vast world of channels, which are great for receiving updates from organizations or communities. For sensitive conversations, try secret chats, offering end-to-end encryption and self-destructing messages for maximum privacy. It's a powerful tool for secure communication. Telegram offers many advanced features to enhance your experience. Keep your conversations tidy by organizing them into chat folders or archive less important ones. Express your personality by creating custom themes and even designing your own sticker packs to share with friends. For better time management, you can schedule messages to be sent later or set reminders for important tasks directly within your chats. These tools help personalize and streamline your daily interactions. Finally, let's talk about keeping your Telegram experience secure and private. Always enable two-step verification in your settings. It adds an extra layer of protection to your account. You can also fine-tune your privacy settings, controlling who can see your phone number, add you to groups, or call you. Taking these steps ensures your conversations remain confidential. And speaking of great finds, remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other fantastic deals we've gathered for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.